Thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is sponsored by So Good Shop. Thank you so much, So Good Shop, for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you want to be a part of this crew over here. Alright, you guys, today's unit is by a company called Harlem125. I have reviewed a few of their wigs, and what I've noticed about their wigs are very, very natural. Like, if you're looking for your hair but better, your hair but easier to deal with because it's a wig and you can just take it off and throw it in the corner, Harlem125 is definitely where it's at when it comes to that. So today's unit hopefully will be just as amazing as the others that I've tried. This one is LBP10 and it's in the color 2. So this unit is definitely hard lace, which I'm not always too crazy about, but if it's done right, it's fine. It does have the banana shaped part, which is basically like a C shape. This is what the parting space looks like at the moment. The hairline actually looks pretty decent. It doesn't look too bad. The hair feels, you guys, so natural. It feels like a blowout, like a light blowout on natural hair. It's so soft. Wow, I was expecting it to be very coarse and like have a really stiff, hard sort of feel, but look at that movement. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So if you guys like this wig, this review is up on my channel, and I will leave a link right here so you can check out this wig. But now let's jump right into LBP10. Alright, you guys, so this is Miss LBP10. Can we just get into this right here? This right here, me running my fingers through this, is just flawless. I mean, look. Y'all, this hair. Y'all, get your life with this. Just get your life with this, okay? This is giving me all types of Kinky straight bundles. AliExpress like shit. But for the low. This hair is giving me all type of flip over flawless. Versatile as anything. I feel like I could pull her back. I could braid her. What? Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. Y'all cannot tell me this isn't cute. This hair is like, girl. Oh, look. This wig is so cute, you guys. Hold on, we gotta take a quick little Snapchat break, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the, say it with me, slow-mos.